Welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into Amazon Auto's revolutionary beta program that is changing how Americans buy cars. I am going to break down everything you need to know. We will cover the process, advantages, disadvantages, and exactly how to purchase your next vehicle through Amazon. Let's get started. Amazon Auto launched in December 2024 as a partnership between Amazon and participating Hyundai dealerships across the United States. This is not Amazon selling cars directly. It is a platform that lets you browse, finance, and purchase vehicles from local dealers through Amazon's familiar interface. Currently, it is available in over 130 cities. There has been recent expansion to include both new and certified pre-owned vehicles. Here is the step-by-step process. First, browse available vehicles on amazon.com/autos. You will see real inventory from local Hyundai dealers within 75 miles of your location. Each listing shows the manufacturer's suggested retail price, cash price, financing estimates, and lease options. All pricing is transparent and no haggle. When ready to purchase, click Begin Order to enter Amazon's checkout experience. Choose your payment method, whether financing through Hyundai Motor Finance, leasing, or paying in full. Complete a credit application if financing, and add a trade-in if applicable. You can also select any protection plans at this stage. Upload your driver's license, choose a pickup time, and complete your down payment or deposit. Finally, review and e-sign legal documents sent via email, then pick up your vehicle at the dealership. Let me highlight the major benefits of using Amazon Auto. You get incredible convenience, completing the entire purchase process from home. No more spending hours at dealerships. Enjoy transparent pricing, seeing exact prices up front with no hidden fees or haggling required. Access comprehensive information, including vehicle history reports, detailed specifications, and customer reviews all in one place. There are flexible financing options with multiple term lengths from 24 to 72 months through Hyundai Motor Finance. Trade-in integration allows you to get instant valuations and complete the process during pickup. Every vehicle includes warranties, plus Amazon's 3-day or 300-mile return policy. Used vehicles also come with a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile limited warranty. However, there are significant limitations to consider. Currently, only Hyundai vehicles are available, meaning no other manufacturers. There are also geographic restrictions, as it is only available in participating cities. This limits access for rural customers. You cannot test drive before purchase. You can only test drive at pickup, not during the initial shopping process. Final pricing and availability still depend on individual dealer policies. The no-haggle pricing means there is no opportunity to negotiate better deals. Some older customers may find the online-only process challenging due to technology barriers. Financing is also limited, as only single applicants are accepted. Joint or co-signed applications are not currently supported. When you are ready to buy, here is what you need. Required documents include a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, and your social security number. For payment, you can finance with terms from 24 to 72 months through Hyundai Motor Finance. Lease options are 24, 36, or 48-month terms with 10,000 to 15,000 annual miles. If paying cash, a $500 deposit is made online, with the remainder via wire transfer or cashier's check. For trade-ins, answer about 20 questions for an instant valuation, valid for 7 days. Bring your vehicle, title, and registration to pick up for final inspection. Expect 3 to 7 days from order to pickup. This timeline depends on financing approval and document processing. Amazon does not charge additional fees for this service. However, standard dealer fees may still apply. Financing rates vary based on your credit score and term length. Used vehicles must meet Amazon's minimum warranty requirements. Various protection plans are available during checkout. These range from JAP coverage to cosmetic protection packages. Amazon Auto is ideal for tech-savvy buyers who value convenience over traditional car shopping. It is perfect for those comfortable with online purchases and customers who prefer transparent pricing. It is particularly good for busy professionals who want to minimize dealership time. Important disclosure. While Amazon Auto does not currently offer a specific affiliate program for vehicle sales, Amazon associates can earn commissions on automotive accessories and related products. Vehicle purchases through Amazon Auto fall under the 0% commission category in Amazon's affiliate program as of 2025. Amazon Auto represents a significant step toward digital car buying. However, it is still in beta with limited options. If you are specifically interested in Hyundai vehicles and value convenience over selection, it is worth exploring. However, traditional dealership shopping still offers more brands, negotiation opportunities, and hands-on experience. What are your thoughts on buying cars through Amazon? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe for more automotive and tech content.